In this Daily Drop, I'm going to be announcing the winner of the May Black and White Photo Contest. So let's go. All right, everybody, here we are. It is the end of the week, last episode until we head into the weekend. Episode 215 of the Daily Drop, and this one is going to be finally about the winner for the black and white photo contest we ran in May. Now, it was a short contest, meaning I posted the contest rules or guidelines, and all submissions had to come in within about a week of that time period. Wanted to get them in the month of May. That's really the reason why. And got about a dozen submissions. So in that short period of time, not too bad. Next week, I will definitely be announcing June's contest and what the prize will be, and also what the parameters of the contest will be. Again, probably image-based, but I'm thinking an inspirational image, a still from a movie or a television show or something like that, and then you use that as your inspiration for your image. So one winner this time around. I will say that there is an honorable mention, no prize for that, and that is from Ty Frey. And this was taken with the Fujifilm X100F and a broken camera at that, meaning that the manual focus doesn't work. The AF works mostly, and Ty normally shoots classic chrome, but shot this image in Acros, and it just has a vibe. And every time I go through the images that I got, I just kind of keep going back to that one, and it's definitely an honorable mention. And the winner for May's black and white photo contest is David Carroll. And here it is. It is just an image that has some depth. It has some stuff in it. Obviously, we've got Clint in there, which doesn't hurt. The Planet of the Apes lunchbox with a little nostalgia there. But I just like that light coming in from frame right, and the fact that it has that texture in the image. And I just, again, keep going back to that. I've also loved seeing David's growth over the years as a filmmaker. He really has gone all in, and I have seen him evolve over the years in terms of not only his interests, but also his skill set and what he is accomplishing. So well done, and congratulations to you, David, on winning. And now I need your address, so you better send it to me, because if I don't get that, then away you go, meaning I'm going to have to give it to the honorable mention. So if you send it to me, then the prize will get sent out by B&H Photo, and thank you to them for supporting the channel with this ability for me to be able to run these contests, which is really fun. Look out next week for the new contest for June. It'll probably be about a 2-week contest, so get your cameras ready. I'll have an inspirational frame to use for that, and I don't know, it'll probably be Monday or Tuesday of next week that I'll announce the contest. Don't forget to, and David, don't forget to send me your address, and I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.